Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Janelle Sequira XO, and yes, I am back with another video. This is going to be episode 2 of my back to school mini series. So I will be getting ready, doing my hair, makeup, and giving you guys a few different outfits for your back to school needs. Also, this video is sponsored by Ali Julia Hair. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so my hair is already braided down, and you can check out my video on how I lay my hair down for wigs, but I am going to be using this black Got To Be Glued gel and this baby hair brush to lay my edges down and get them out of the way. If you guys watched the first episode of my little back to school mini series, and you already saw this process, same exact process, just different hair. And the hair was sent to me by Ali Julia Hair, as mentioned before. The hair is Malaysian curly in 12, 14, and 16 inches with a 10-inch frontal. Let me tell you guys, this hair is gorgeous. Do y'all see those curls? Okay, popping. Like, this hair is so pretty. It's so soft and shiny, the right amount of shiny, you know. Like, this hair is so gorgeous. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen it on my story, or you might have seen a picture that I've posted. I've been getting a lot of questions about it. This is the hair, guys. This is the hair that you have all been waiting for. So gorgeous. But anyways, I'm going to take that yellow Got To Be glue gel and apply it to my forehead so that I can stick the frontal down. Like I said, same exact process as my first video in this series. Nothing has changed except the hair. So I'm just going to blow dry the gel once I'm done applying it on the cool setting, of course. And I'm going to do that for about 3 minutes or so, or until it's tacky enough. So once the gel is tacky enough, I'm going to just apply the frontal. It's a little bit further up from my edges. It's kind of on top of my edges because my edges come down really low. And if I bring the frontal down any further, it just does not look good because it just looks wiggy, you know. It just looks really wiggy, and it's not the whole point of the wig is so that it doesn't look like a wig, you know. But yeah, so like I said, I'm just kind of speeding through this part because it's the same exact thing as the first episode in this series. I feel like I'm repeating myself, sorry guys. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue talking about the hair while y'all watch this. It's gorgeous. It's so soft and pretty. I'll let you guys know exactly what products I use once I'm done doing my makeup, of course. But yeah, so I'm just gonna lay the frontal down with this satin scarf while I do my makeup, or for most of my makeup, you'll see. So I moisturize with this Origins A Perfect World moisturizer, and I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Optical Illusions primer to prime my face. I absolutely love that primer, guys. It's my favorite. But once I am done applying the primer, I'm going to move on to my eyebrows off camera. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, I got y'all. Just let me know. Now I'm going to be using the Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I'm just going to be applying that to the places that crease or get a little bit oily before I do anything else. I'm applying that with my Real Techniques sponge. Moving on to the eyes, I'm taking this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk, and I'm using that as my eye primer. I'm just blending it out with my fingers. And then to set the primer, if you will, I'm going to use the Airspun Loose Powder once again. Okay, now I'm using the Morphe 3502 palette, my fave. I'm taking this light tannish color, and I'm applying that above my crease with this Wet n Wild blending brush. And then I'm going to go in with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take that bright pink color, I'm not sure of the name, and I'm just going to apply that in my crease using this MAC 217 brush, one of my favorite brushes of all time. And now I'm going to carve out my lids with this LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Almond and this flat concealer brush. I'm just gonna carve out my lids so that I can get the most pigment out of this next color so you guys can see. It's gonna be kind of a cut crease situation. And I'm gonna set the concealer with the Airspun powder. And now I'm going in with this mustard color and applying that to my lid. This is such a pretty color. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. I love this palette. I don't do colors much, but when I do, I usually reach for a Juvia's Place palette because they got the pigment. Now I'm just going back in with that pink color and the MAC 217 brush in my outer corners just to darken it up a bit. I've actually worn this look in 2 other videos and I always get questions about it, so I'm finally doing it for you guys so you can see how I do it. And now I'm going in with this brown color from the Zulu palette and I'm just applying just a little bit with this blending brush, just a little bit to kind of darken the area up a little bit. And then I'm going to take this clean blending brush. It's a little wider blending brush. I'm going to take this clean blending brush and blend everything out. And I'm going in with this Clinique Pretty Easy eyeliner pen in the color black. And I'm going to create a wing liner. It's like I'm talking so fast. And this is what we're looking like so far. And for mascara, I'll be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Absolutely love this mascara. It is my favorite. Oldie but a goodie, you know. So now with this rose goldy shimmery color, I'm going to apply that to my inner corners and my brow bone. Okay, again, I'll be using the Fit Me foundation in the color 340 or Cappuccino. I'm applying it with this Q-tip. And I'm also going to be adding a little bit of the NARS Longwear or the NARS Radiant Longwear foundation. That same sample that I got from Sephora. I believe I used this exact foundation routine in my previous video. Yes, samples, they will save your life if you're not ready to spend $40 on the foundation, you know what I mean? But I'm applying the foundation with this Morphe M439 brush. This brush is amazing for applying foundation. Okay, for concealer, I'll be using the Becca Ultimate Coverage Concealer in the color Honey. This is the first time I'm using this concealer, and y'all, it is amazing. It's so thick, but oh my gosh, it's such a good concealer. And I have bags under my eyes if you can't tell, and it did such a great job of covering it. I think I found a new favorite, guys, like seriously. For contour, I'll be using the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Espresso, like I always do. But yeah, I have to rave about that that highlighting concealer because it's just so pretty. But I'm gonna blend out my contour with the Morphe M439 brush. And then blend out my highlight with my Real Technique sponge. So I'm just blending everything together, and as you can see, I am loving this highlight. Like, it's such a good concealer. And it was sent to me courtesy of Influencer. So if you are a YouTuber or aspiring influencer, sign up for Influencer and you will get some free items. And yeah, all you have to do is just review them. Also, if you didn't notice, I did take off my satin scarf and my baby hairs are looking a little bit crazy. They did lay in a weird position, but don't even worry about it. We're gonna fix that when I'm done with my makeup. Concealer though! Oh, yes, okay, yes. To set my highlight, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier powder. I'm just going to apply that to all the areas that I highlighted, if that wasn't obvious. To set the contoured areas, I'm going to be using the Black Radiance True Complexion palette in medium to dark, using that sculpt color in the middle, and I'm applying that with this e.l.f. blush brush. for highlight, I wasn't sure whether to go with the Smashbox Rose Gold or the Fenty Trophy Wife because it could go either way. Okay, now that we're done with that, I decided to go with the Fenty Trophy Wife highlight. Now before I set my face, I'm just going back in with that hot pink color underneath my lower lash line. And then I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, which is my favorite. And I'll do my lashes and my lip color at the end. Previously, I washed my hair with the Maui Moisture Coconut Milk Shampoo and this Herbal Essences Argan Oil of Morocco Conditioner. And now I'm just spraying my hair with some water, and I'm just spraying a little bit of this Tailored Beauty Moisture Mist. I don't typically use this on my natural hair, so I have no problem using this expensive product on my wig. It needs to be used. To hold the curls, I'm going to be using this Curls Goddess Curls Gel. And I'm just going to apply it throughout the curls. No special method, just kind of applying it where it needs it. I was really hyper during this video, but I'm going to take this diffuser. I'm just going to take this diffuser and diffuse the curls until they're dry. Took me about 10 to 15 minutes to get the hair to be completely dry. So I'm going to take this pick and pick out the curls so I can get some more volume because they're looking a little bit flat. And this pick definitely did the trick. So this is what we're looking like now, looking pretty good. So now I'm gonna apply my lip color and mascara. So I'll be using this Smashbox lip color that I got from Sephora on my birthday. I'll list the color down below. And also this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, which is thebomb.com. And then I'm applying these Luna Moon lashes that I got from Amazon for about $7. They're super cute. I'll link them down below for you guys. But this is what we're looking like so far with just hair and makeup. Looking pretty good. And so now we can move on to the outfits. Yes, outfits, that was plural. I have a few for you guys this time. So right here I'm wearing this cute mustard Paris top that I got from Forever 21. Paired with this denim skirt that I got from Fashion Nova, distressed denim. And I'm also wearing some white Huarache Ultras from Nike. I got this watch from Burlington. And also this cute planner from Target. I highly suggest getting a planner, and if you do, get one from Target. Alright, so now this is the same exact outfit except with a different shirt. I got this shirt from Fashion Nova, and it actually matches with the planner. Also, these sunglasses are compliments of Sojos or Sohos. I'm not sure. They're an Amazon company, but they have super cute glasses. I'll link them down below for you guys. And now this outfit is for my girlies that live in a cooler environment. If you do, I got this turtleneck from H&M. on Black Friday, I believe. I got these pants from the thrift store, and same shoes, Nike Huarache Ultras. And that's going to be the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. Please leave this video a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment down below which outfit was your favorite. And make sure you smash that subscribe button and follow me on social media. My handle is @JanelleSequire_XO. All the information will be in the description box down below. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the third and last video of this back to school Get Ready With Me mini series, which will be natural hair as promised. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.